สวัสดีครับ Hello welcome to this Minded service. This is the review of the customer 1003. So this is the MacBook Air M1 generation. And the problem customer sent us that the MacBook able to turn on after customer accidentally split the wire on about the keyboard, and the keyboard is not able to type or it's not working, and customer sent us for the service. So we open up the MacBook and check there's a lot of water damage on around the underneath of the keyboard and around the mainboard. So we need to clean it up and check which component is shorted and replace the new components. And now it's able to work perfectly. So I'll let you know if you have the same problems. Luckily, customer quickly hurry up and send for the service. Otherwise, if you delay, it might damage more. So if you have the water damage, quickly do not turn on your laptop. Quickly send for the service maintenance. This might be cost less than the replacing the mainboard. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye bye.